And as a bonus, it'll double as a sandwich holder. In my van life, I'm continually exploring places that are new to me. That means I often need help in navigation, and I do that using my phone as a GPS. So it's critical that I have a place to secure my phone that's accessible and viewable. I'm going to share a fantastic solution that I cobbled together that's pretty much free. And as a bonus, it'll double as a sandwich holder. Welcome to SWELLER'S and Dwellers. Now I know there's no shortage of mounts to buy that will hold your phone and attach to your dashboard or to your windshield. But you know, sooner or later these things seem to detach from your window or detach from your dashboard and can even leave a big gluey residue. So I thought there has to be a better solution. And I found it. I'm not claiming to be the first one to do this, but it works so well in my van that I wanted to show you specifically how it works in my Ford Econoline E150. And you'd probably find similar ways to make it work just as well in other vans like Promasters and Sprinters. It's really so simple. These vans usually have rather large air vents, and they're covered by some sort of shutter. I can attach a heavy-duty, modified paperclip to this vent, and it securely holds my phone in place in a very viewable and accessible location. Notice that when I stick my paperclip in, it somehow blocks the operation of the shutter and locks it securely in place. So let's go over the simple modifications I did to the paperclip to make this work. The only thing I had to do was bend the arms of the paperclip. Now on mine, they're pretty thick and sturdy, so I actually secured my paperclip into a vise and bent it that way. However, with a little bit of gusto, you might be able to do it with just a pair of pliers. I made two bends in the paperclip. The first, to spread the arms as widely apart as possible, while still leaving part of the arms above the clip to hold the phone. Next, I bent this little bit of remaining arm that was above the paperclip in the opposite direction to act as a grip for the actual phone. So you'll now have something that looks like this. The final problem we have is that the arms as is are floppy and have no holding power to grip the phone. Well, that can be solved by a simple elastic. Wrap the elastic around the arms a couple of times, and it creates a monster grip. With the finished clip now mounted securely to your air vent, it's now a simple procedure to simply snap your phone in and remove it. Notice that I've got my air vent positioned so that the phone is held horizontal. I could swivel it so that it's held vertical, but I find this is a little bit less trustworthy because the phone can slip a little bit. I'd imagine you could easily solve this by coating the arms in some sort of liquid rubber to give it some extra holding power. Now, if in your van you don't have an air vent that's exactly like this, just get creative and look for anything that you could clip the paperclip onto. I'm sure you can find something. And if you do, leave a comment on the video with the make and model of your van and where you mounted it. But Sweller, what about the sandwich holding functionality? We want to see the sandwich holding feature. I know. Well, I happen to have here a barbecue chicken sandwich with lettuce and all the fixins. So let's strap it in. You just snap it in. Just check out that holding power, my friends. Awesome! If you appreciate my efforts to make these videos and don't think I'm some sort of crazy lunatic, I would be humbled if you would subscribe to my channel, because it's the only way you can support me and let me know that you want me to continue making more. So until next time, keep your life simple and enjoy your van. Bye for now.